Hi guys! Happy New Year everyone!
Good morning. Morning.
Guys, we're looking for a place to eat. You know, Krista siya. Yan, yan. Kain na. Yay, what's up? Guys, they're looking for Filipiniana. Ay, ang cute pala.
Or doon na lang tayo. Baka ganda magamitan na gano'n. Tinay. Sabado kasi sana yun. Ano nyo?
Pasaway.
My day.
Sige
na, hindi ka pa
Oo, sige na. Ilabas mo na yan.
Hindi, kasi nakita nung dati.
Saan sila sis?
Rose Garden.
Ay, sa kabila?
Dito.
Ay, oh, dito nga, dito.
Group 1, si Ate Nat. Group 2, si Kuya Rice, Group 3. Oh, tingnan niyo yung group niyo ah. Kunin niyo agad yung mga anak niyo. Group Okay! Bebe!
Pili kayo ng
Number.
Pili
1
ka
to
ng
5. 5 daw.
Chocolate. Chocolate cake. Ito, oh. Guys, I have parcel here. So, pinareceive ko na sa kapatid ko because 5 parcels. Super late. And I'm with baby Isha. Uwi na? Uwi na. Hatid ko na. Hatid ko na? Hindi. Hindi. Binyag ko po bukas. Ay, dedication. Hello. Say hi to Sam. Hi, Sam. Guys, hindi na ako ang taga-plancha nila. I'm telling you, you have to invest for this one. I'm cooking siomai.
Parang gusto ko ng very way. Kaso wala.
Thank you.
Oh, I didn't know you ordered.
Yeah. I'm gonna try that.
Thank you.
Let's eat. Guys, sulit na sulit as in. Look at this. Wow. Beef. Beef Thai noodle.
Tapos, ito.
Guys.
7.9.
Tables that they ordered. There. Hey guys, it's Sunday today and we are gonna eat this. Yummy.
My face.
Not my face. Siyempre,
Feeling
I
ko-
have a beautiful driver. Driver!
Ito yun. Yung ano.
Ganda-gandang mabait to. Guys, kukunin namin yung dalawa.
Ganyan ka, proud pati boss ko.
Yeah, architect. For the first time in history. For the first time in history. Dito ka sa harap. Ayoko mainit dito. Be, dito ka sa harap. You make chika with us. Hi! Welcome to my new car and congratulations! Hi, Machi! Congrats, architect.
Oh, thank you, architect.
Dito tayo, saan ko talaga?
So let's go downstairs. Let's see. Budol? Ay, ano? Seafood.
Unahin yung ulo. And then tail.
So mga B, dito na kami sa McDo. Double celebration. Double celebration times 2. Okay na? It's giving the vibe.
Pray ka nyo.
Uy, nag-pray ako. Thank you, Lord. Sabi ko.
Nag-pray tayo ngayon.
Oo. Guys, home safe.